2. This is the directions for how to play Timex. It's a brain pop game. And you are putting the events, you can watch the start or you can just hit start game. You're putting the events in order, and most of them we've talked about, but some of them will be new, so you just kind of guess, like the nullification crisis. So read it and see if you can get it. But you want to, so Lincoln elected president, nullification crisis. You have to figure where does it go in the timeline, and then you either pop it in over here or pop it in over here. Oh, there we go. And then you get like 100 points or so, and then this little thing will move. And if it moves all the way to the red because you did too many wrong, then you lose. So you're trying to get to 1,000 in one game. I'm going to put that there. Fugitive Slave Act. Okay, and then it'll add more cards. So I did Reconstruction. You can pick whatever you want. Fugitive Slave Act. I'm going to say, earlier. See, I was wrong. Okay. Okay, Harriet Tubman escaped slavery. 32, I'm going to say right there. Bam. Okay, so you kind of get it. So you can move the arrows back and forth, but you're putting things on the timeline. And so you might have to play a couple times until you get 1,000 points. But yeah, have fun.